lovies, welcome back to my channel. So this is the kit that I'm going to be using today, and this kit is from Shop Jessica Hearts, and it is called a Wildflower. I already used part of this kit in my personal planner, but I had all these stickers left, so I figured I would definitely use it for a whole weekly spread. These are my heart checklist, my washi paper, some full boxes that I had left, and I used the half boxes from Pookie Bear Cuties. The glitter headers are from Shop Jessica Hearts, and I'm using this Paper Me Ink Joy Pin for my whole planner today. So right now I'm just putting down the glitter headers. And I do use tweezers because, as you guys can see, I have some long nails. Um, so it's a little bit harder for me just to put down the stickers a little bit more straight. So I use the tweezers to help me out with that. And once I'm done putting down the glitter headers, I went ahead and I whited out the dates. And I put the date cover stickers. I really love this print. It's so beautiful. I know it's not your typical summer weekly spread, but I really wanted to use this kit, get it out of the way. That way I'm able to use my new kit. So I'm trying to use my old ones up so I can use my new ones. So now I'm just putting down the bottom washi, and it's so beautiful. I really love the print of the bottom washi. On the sidebars, you guys can see my recollections planner has a little box of like a whole colored shade of pink. So I start my sidebar from the bottom to the top. So I went ahead and I put my to-do list, a little quote that says she belongs among the wildflowers, together with my weekly checklist, and I made sure that it was straight, and then I put my work glitter header. It's so beautiful. I love how glittery it is on the side, and I had this leftover gold glitter, so I put that on top just to balance everything out. So right after, I'm going to begin with putting down a washi strip with a coffee because it is Coffee Monday. I literally have coffee, you guys, like every single day. I feel like it makes my day go by a little bit faster. I went ahead and I put this sticker from Pookie Bear Cuties, and it's just a little YouTube icon just to mark that I uploaded my Recollections Planner flip through. After that, I went ahead and I put another strip of washi, and I put the little heart icon that comes with the kit, and I marked that I posted on IG. I just like to keep record and remind myself to post on IG. That is from my regular planner. So on my regular planner, I mark down basically everything I did during the week, and then I just go in and highlight it when I'm planning out on my weekly spread, just to make sure that I kind of got everything down. And then I put a flag down, and I just put lunch with the girls, and after work I did go to Target with my sister. After that, I put another flag sticker down together with this beautiful girl from Pookie Bear Cuties. She's so cute. I love it. She's basically on a laptop. So I just put that I checked my emails. And by checking my emails, I check all my emails, my personal, my work, my YouTube one, everything. So on to Tuesday, I went ahead and I put another strip of washi, and I put this sticker from Pookie Bear Cuties, and it says "but coffee first." And then I'm filling out the sidebar of my work from 9 to 6 or 9 to 5, depending what that was. And then I went and I put this half box that says "Babe starts first shift," which he was on second shift for a really long time. So everything was just a little bit harder, even to spend some time. But now that he's on first shift, it's so exciting because when I get home from work, he's already home. And I love seeing my babe. I see him more often, and we do live together, but our work schedules are very hectic. So then I put the little house icon that came with the kit, and I put make bed because that's a bad habit of mine. Is I hate making the bed every morning. So I'm trying to mark down and, remind myself to make the bed every single morning. And then I put a little flag down again that says wake up at 4:30 in the morning, because he normally goes in at 6 in the morning now. But lately he has been going in at 4, so we've actually been waking up a lot earlier, like around 3. So I wanted to mark down to make his lunch and breakfast, just so he doesn't have to worry about that. And then my sister was picking me up for work that day just because I wasn't going to have my car, so I wanted to note that down as well. And the rest of the day after work, I basically was been binge watching YouTube. So I've just been on a YouTube craze right now with anything. I love YouTube videos, but as you guys can tell, and that little sticker is from Nana Stickers, and it's so cute. I really, really love it. And then for Wednesday, I went ahead and I put down that laundry sticker that came with the kit. And I just put a little note that says finish laundry and put clothes away because I hate putting clothes away. Then I put another washi strip, a glitter one, and I put change sheets. And then after that, I put a full box because this is like super important to me. And I was super happy that I got these in my email. And it was the engagement photos that my babe and I took. If you guys haven't seen them, I will be putting my Instagram name here. They're super beautiful. I fell in love with every single photo. I was like, oh my God, like I cannot wait to print them out. They're just, they're gorgeous. I love, love, love every single photo. It's going to be so hard for me to choose what photo I actually want as one of the main ones for the venue. I went ahead and I put another flag sticker basically marking that I went to lunch with my sister and my boo Annalie. We went to this restaurant that I love going to called Mexico Lindo. At the end of the day, my mom and I went to the jacuzzi and the pool. I noticed it took up a bit of space, but I did want to post that I posted on IG, so I really wanted to put that sticker, and that's actually from the kit as well. For Thursday, I went ahead and I put a little note to pack my babe's lunch. And also, I got some Starbucks, and that cute little icon sticker is from Lavin Forest. And I also did another note to do the bed. I'm telling you guys, I hate doing my bed every morning. I went ahead and I wanted to mark down what I had for lunch, but I didn't like how I wrote lunch, so I put a flag sticker down and then I put where I went to lunch. And to decorate the flag sticker just a little bit, I did draw in a little heart just to give it a little extraness, I guess, to my whole planning. And then after that, I went ahead and I put a little things down. It was a busy day at work that day. It was like super crazy. I do work at a dental office for children, so the kids are on vacation right now, so you know it's crazy. Everybody's trying to bring in their kids. And then I did want to make a note that I ordered my engagement photos, not all of them, but some of them in the size 8 by 10. So that's a little bit bigger than your normal size. On to Friday, I put down another little things and I put a basically note that says babe gets paid. And then the little money sign is from the kit as well. I put down a gold washi strip with the coffee icon, and that one is from Lavin Forest, and I basically marked down that I had Starbucks. I hated how I drew in the heart. It literally irritated me so bad, so I had to pull up the sticker. It ripped my page, but it's okay because I covered it up again with another washi strip and I wrote Starbucks again normal. I didn't even try to do any type of heart or anything. And then I laid down another piece of washi with the sell sticker going crazy. This is also from Lavin Forest, basically marking down that Willow Fields was going to have 60% off. I love her full kits. You guys will be soon seeing a haul because I ordered so many. And then I did put a full box, basically putting that I had an ortho meeting at 8:30 in the morning, and that basically took my whole energy. I hate meetings early in the morning because then that means I have to get up earlier, but it's okay. And then I put two washi strips together, but I don't think you guys could see that in the camera. And I basically marked down the Ultimate Planner sale, which they took my money, but it's okay. And it's a little Lavin Forest icon with the laptop. For Friday, I went ahead and I marked my day off. I stacked two washi strips together for sleeping in. And I love sleeping in, you guys. If I could sleep in, I definitely will do it. And then I marked that we had a quinceañera because we did have a quinceañera at the end of the day. So I put a little girl and a little guy, a party pants and some flowers like me and my babe. How cute is that? And then for Saturday, I don't know why I moved from Saturday to Sunday, but I put two thin washi strips together to make the laundry sticker stand out. And then I go back to Saturday and I put YouTube binge because I was watching YouTube videos, before getting ready for the quince. And also I took a late night shower, which I don't shower at night. I normally always shower in the morning, so I had to mark that down. And then I went ahead and I put a full box marking that I had breakfast with my cousin and her family because they came from Texas, and I got to meet the beautiful Bella. For the end, I put this half box together with this big old computer screen for editing my plan with me, and I also put this sticker from Nana Stickers that I got my Amazon package, and these are the stickers that are left. I seriously thought I was going to use a lot more stickers, you guys, but I will definitely be saving those on the side. And this is the full view of my weekly spread. I fell in love with it. I know I didn't really fill out the sidebar, but I do at the end because my camera died. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!